So today's topic is amino acids and proteins. So what does amino acid contain? One C alpha group, C group, one R group, one H, one amino group, and carboxyl group. Carboxyl group is negatively charged, whereas this is positively charged. You have to show when it contains both positive and negative charge, we call it as uh, amphoteric. That means it can this amino acid can donate both acid as well as bases. Um, Coming to the first one is a very common amino acid is like simple amino acid is glycine just because in place of R group there is only single H, and the second all amino acids with all amino acids are L group. I will say it later. So now the most important one is here is lysine. Lysine because it contains like here glycine is another example of the same glycine but same amino acid, but there is a long chain. So it is here it is saying ki like just like R is having H in case of glycine, it is having this 1 2 3 4 butyric acid butyrate in place of this R group. Whereas this the proline here is it is an exceptional case. You have to remember is that it is all are primary amino acids, but only proline is this is secondary amino group because like while everyone is containing primary amino acid, it is having secondary amino group because we here the NH3 plus is there. It is primary amino acid, whereas this is in all the amino acid is it is the only case where amino group is attached with some other carbon forming a cyclic structure. It is the only case in case of proline. So proline and glycine, you have to remember two things: glycine and proline. These are the two things in which glycine is the simplest form, and the proline is the complex form in which only amino group is present. And these two are only responsible for providing free end to the DNA. Like when we write, okay, yeah, when we say this, when we say this the DNA, it is a DNA somewhere or other it should end. So at the end places either it is glycine or either it is proline. The question was from proline side, like which amino acid contains. So it was the question was like amino group. Like here we were saying amino group here, but it is here it is amino group. IMINO. Okay, and it is secondary amino acid. You have to remember that. So the question was again here from like pH thing. So if you want to if you want to solve the questions of pH, you have to know these things. So like as I said you amino acids contain both amino group as well as carboxyl group. So the amino group it is in deprotonated form, that is COO minus. It is in like COO. Oh, where is that open? Huh. So to where I was the alpha amino group, whatever the amino group is, the alpha amino groups are. 1 minute. The alpha, array 1 minute. The alpha amino groups are protonated. That means NH3 plus, and the carboxyl group are deprotonated. Deprotonated means it is not having any protons. So COO minus. So in a solution at a physiological pH, the amino acid can present in large zwitter ionic form. That means it can have both positive as well as negative form. So we are calling it as zwitter ionic form. So when we see this at low pH means from 0 to 7 or -3 to still 7, what we call it as acid, right? And from 7 to 14 we call it as base. So when we see acid, we get reminder of HCl, and then this of base of NOH. So now imagine that at very low pH, that means HCl is there, and the strongly acidic solution. The alpha carboxyl group is protonated. Why? Because when we are saying acid, 0 to 7 के बीच में H प्लस ज़्यादा रहते, ये जो प्रोटॉन्स है वो ज़्यादा रहते, तो वन COO माइनस है तो लोग जब वन यू गेट solution full of protons, so now it will change to COOH, so that's why we are calling it as it will get protonated COOH group as so, and NH3 plus तो already protonated है, so here we are having positive charge and here now we are not having any, like before we used to have this, but after getting protonated it is not having any charge, so now the overall sum of this reaction will be only positive charge because and who is responsible for this? Solely NH3 plus is responsible for that. The same way, and so here it is written the alpha amino group is protonated and positively charged. The overall charge of a molecule is positive. Similarly, at high pH, at high pH, what does it mean? It means it is having more number of OH. More number of OH. So what is the thing we consider? NaOH, like with the strongest species NaOH. So what is, if we provide NaOH, so what it will do? It will this OH will react with H and for resulting in formation of water molecule, release of water molecule. 1 minute. So here now the so now we were having we were having carboxyl group which is in deprotonated form, and the negatively charged molecule which again because of this basic pH, now this protonated form will become deprotonated form. That means इधर से एक H plus H चला गया. Where it has gone? It has gone to this NOH, because I will write this reaction. NH3 plus give rise to plus NOH. NaOH gives H2O. This one H went somewhere, 2H with this proton and 1H went somewhere, and this is H. This so we say कि H2 and this O, ये इसका O, तो ये लोग what they have become H2O plus NH का NH plus NH2 बन गया, and plus सोडियम का सोडियम रिलीज हो गया. See how I'm writing, बाद में देखेंगे. तो आई होप यू पीपल अंडरस्टूड, और नहीं समझ नहीं आता प्लीज़ सी द वीडियो. सिर्फ इतना है कि NaOH plus NH3 plus give rise to water molecule plus NH2 plus Na. ठीक है, सो वी दिस रिलीजेस वाटर मोलिक्यूल एंड दिस ये क्या हो गया हमारा डिप्रोटोनेटेड फॉर्म हो गया. सो नाउ द मोलिक्यूल, सो व्हाट इट इज सेइंग, a molecule, here it is, a molecule which can accept and donate protons, we call it as amphiprotic. As I said, amphi मतलब both, protic मतलब can accept और donate protons, इसलिए भी ऐसे amphiprotic. तो क्वेश्चन ये था कि zwitter ion is amphiprotic or not बोल के, तो आंसर इज yes, zwitter ion is amphiprotic because like zwitter ion, that means CO minus, like it can accept and it can donate protons. So we can say that this whole amino acid is an amphiprotic substance. ठीक है. So now when you are saying कि low pH मतलब pH is less, HCl का example है मतलब acidic pH. तो that time we know कि pH is inversely, what is pH? Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion. So negative logarithm by we can write negative by inverse, right? So this is nothing but अब PI, ये 1/H plus है ना, वो हमारा PI है. तो pH is inversely proportional to 1/H plus. So when pH is more, at low pH PI will be more. अगर pH equal है तो PI भी equal रहता. And the same way this high pH is high, then PI will be less. तो नाउ यहाँ पर इट इज़ जस्ट गिवन कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाले क्या को अगर प्रोटॉन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा रहा तो अगेन pH कम, ये सॉरी, इंक्रीज इन pH लीड्स टू, इट इज क्या हो गया, हाँ यार, तो क्या है यहाँ पे इंक्रीज इन pH, लो PI इंक्रीज इन pH. सो व्हेन बोथ आर सेम कि वेयर both pH and PI when both are equal, then we call it as zwitter ionic form or double ion form. Remember this, zwitter ion form or double ion form. The question has given from this side only कि zwitter ionic form किसको बोलते हैं, and this pH वाला PI वाला क्वेश्चंस बायोकेमिस्ट्री के पेपर में आए हुए, तो प्लीज़ चेक दैट.